All right, welcome once again to my channel. So how do you buy real estate in Nigeria without burning your finger or without you being scammed? So I'd like you to pay attention. This will guide your buying decision in 2025 because I really want to dig down so that you can use this video as sampling when you are buying real estate. So this is a guide, and if you follow this guide, you can't get it wrong. You can't miss it when buying property in Lagos State. If you are in Nigeria in diaspora, with the current trend in that country, if you don't own property in your motherland on your own, you know what I'm saying. So I'd like you to play smart and use this guide. I know they have done you strong thing before. You have burnt your finger. You know, that is life, but that should not debar you from taking another risk of owning property in Lagos. And this is the process. Remember, my name is Adisa Adewale, and welcome to your #1 family big real estate channel in Nigeria. And you know, when buying property, what are the things you should look for? The number thing when it comes to documentation is to get a service of a surveyor, registered surveyor. And once you see where you want to buy, you can call the surveyor to go and check to pick the coordinates of that place. After picking the coordinates, it can take it to land in Alausa to do verification. So you will know the status of that land. So once you are done with that, you can also get the service of a property lawyer. The property lawyer, his duty is to check the documentation. So you can request for the document of that land, and the property lawyer will take it down to Alausa also to do the verification of the contract of sales, the C of O, the governor consent, who owns the property. So you will know all of that. This will form your buying decision whether the land you are buying is genuine or not. Now, once you are done with that and you are clear, now also I'd like you to check the location. In my video, I've said times without number, don't buy price, buy location, because the location you buy will end up paying your price. So location can make your property to dislocate, or location can influence the value of your property. So check the location. And another thing you should check again is to check the antecedent of the place, the developer. Check what they have done in the past. Check their development, check their estates, look at what they have done in the past, and this also will assist your buying decision. I don't want you to miss it in 2025 of getting your finger burnt buying in property in Lagos, Nigeria, because the best place to own property is Lagos, and make sure you own a lot of Lagos this year. We have come to the end of today's tips for real estate investor. If you follow through all of this process, I can tell you, you can't miss it when buying property in Lagos. So for inquiries and inspection in getting strategic location in Lagos, call the number on your screen and I will gladly assist you. Till I come your way next time. God bless you and bye for now.